I see the way it looks. People actually look at your teeth. I noticed that. And that encouraged my wife to get them. So for me, to make the decision, it was more with the atmosphere first they created, the information they gave me, and all I see in the office is professionalism. You know, everything is clean as far as protecting the customer, and that was my main reason to making the choice to stay here. I had many questions. For example, when I came for the x-rays, she explained to me this is what she does the 3D for the molds and stuff, and how the process will be step by step until we accomplish our goal. How long would I have this process going? Another question was finances, of course, and she addressed each question accordingly. Oh, it was right on point. They predicted about 5 months. Better, I don't know the words for it, but it's your teeth are aligned. For me, I was grinding my teeth and destroying them. I'm no longer doing that. I would recommend it to anybody.